special design channel has drawn the design of a house with a swimming pool. This house has 3 bedrooms. Two bedrooms are at the front of the house. One bedroom facing the front garden of the house. Another bedroom is next to the garage. The last bedroom is behind of the area of the house. This bedroom concept is like a villa design. At the front of this last bedroom facing a swimming pool. Next to the last bedroom there is a small lawn area. This house is equipped with a small L-shaped track. This small track serves a jogging track, so you no need to go anywhere to exercise.